Good morning, everyone. It's nice to be back here. I'm here to help my loyal customer Dimitri finish everything, and this time we are bringing all of his stuff into his new condominium. Stay tuned, and I will show you and share with you what else to be done. Yeah, say hi. Nice to see you again. This is what we have left, right? Well, this room is nothing except for your
everything there.
computer.
Those stuff we don't need to move.
Yeah. Okay. So let's start
So
doing
shouldn't
this.
be too bad.
Yeah.
And the barbecue's there, okay?
Okay. It's in the balcony.
No, in the inside.
Oh,
Brought
okay.
it and wrapped it.
Oh, perfect.
So we're moving there.
Yeah.
You see those two towers there?
Right.
They look alike with the kind of like a hood on the top, like a spaceship.
Yes.
The one shorter,
Those
one
two.
taller one. Yeah. That's
Okay.
where we're going. Not far.
Beautiful you have here. Woo. Okay, let's do this. This is what we have so far. I'm going to put all these bags here on one corner for now. Build some foundation over there, and then put everything on top so we can maximize the space. He still has a lot, and hopefully we can fit everything in one trip. Okay, you bring that for me?
This I'm gonna put in the car.
Oh, in your car? Okay, first load is done. Okay, we just finished loading everything, and now it's time to unload. Go to the new place. Yeah, the new place is not far from here. It's only about less than 2 kilometers going east, and it's also going downtown, so it's not that far.
Turn right onto Housey Street, then turn right onto Dan Leckie Way. Take the next right onto Dan Leckie Way, then turn left onto...
Yeah, I'm here, but it's a big building. There's multiple loading docks. So I guess we are on number 7. So I'm gonna go straight all the way to number 7. Okay, here, number 7. Let's find out. Hi, I was told that I was gonna be using loading number 7. Okay, thank you. All we have to do now is wait until the guy answers back. See up here, this is the main highway. Yeah, it's not that easy to come to this place. It's a new building. They're just strict now because the building is still new. I'll just give them a few more years before they become, it will become easier coming here. So we're gonna put out the ramp.
Between 12 and 1, just
Should be okay.
okay. And this is all garbage, so be careful of your phone here.
Yeah, situation here is a little different. We first have to load everything into this elevator and then empty it, unload it, and then go into this elevator to reload and unload upstairs.
I'm so sorry. It's just bad timing for everything.
Everyone's busy today.
Yeah, everyone came for it.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, I'll.
Now finished. Moving on to my next job. I did 5 hours here with the help of Dimitri and his son. They have a nice place here. Look at that. Look at that lobby. Look at that reception area. Finished everything in 5 hours, including installation of his TV. I wasn't supposed to do that, but I kind of helped him because I promised I was going to help him. So I helped him install the TV.
All right.
Ooh, look at that. Because he wants it mounted on the wall. So now I'm off to my second job. So until next time, keep on watching. Stay safe. Please subscribe, like, share. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. Until next time. Bye.